Hello everyone, this is Team DR and I am Devdeep. Let me just quickly go through our project which is titled Financial Risk Analysis, and we are doing it for Secure Code Hackathon. Uh, my teammates are me, Devdeep Banerjee, and my partner Rohan Chen. So basically, this is an overview. I won't be going through this, just the key features: automated detection of SOD conflicts, deterministic algorithms. We are not using any probabilistic algorithms, all are deterministic. Then we have Dockerized our solution, efficient handling of large datasets with optimized performance and easy to interpret output reports for compliance teams. Anyways, let's just move on. This core concepts, let me just explain very brief. So what happens is that we take the SOD conflicts from SOD master, and then we map those to access entitlements in the uh, entitlement master, and from entitlement master we fetch the corresponding access point ID, and then we map them to the privilege, respective privileges, and then so on and so forth goes to roles, and then hierarchical parent roles, and then to users finally. So here you can see one flowchart as I mentioned. Then we have the features. I have already said this, I won't be repeating them. The prerequisites of our software are it must have desktop Docker installed, and obviously Git for cloning the repository. And then we have all these things I won't be going through. Let me just quickly show the demo. So yeah, this is our running it on our Docker. You can see I've just redone it. Just a minute. Yeah, yeah, I will just rerun it. You can see it will take some time, and it will slowly generate output bit by bit. It will not generate the complete code. Yeah, this is a part, and then it will go on. Okay, similarly same we can do it over here as well. We'll run this, and you will see it will take some time, and then we'll generate the user IDs. So basically there is some inconsistencies between what was the expected for output format and what we have actually done. But that is not an issue. We will be correcting that as soon as possible within 12 midnight tonight. And okay, so let me just go through the code. What we did is we have this Python program that just converts the uh, XLS files to .csv. We did this for simply because of the reason that if we had to work with XLSX, then we had to use OpenXLX or RapidXL, which were a bit complicated, I mean, to set up. So we just preferred to use this. So and then now working with CSV files is easier, much easier. And let me just show the code. Then we have this main.ccp, which actually is, it takes the loop of first it checks if there are the rows are existing or not, and then it takes the loop for all the code policies and their respective entitlement legs, and then for each of their SOD policy code, it will then go to SOD violations or CCP, and from there we'll have it will do separate operations for entitlement leg 1 and entitlement leg 2 on separate columns that we have. And you can see it takes some time. It will definitely take some time to show all the responses. Anyways, then from here it will go to entitlement lookup. It will map whatever is necessary from entitlement access points, get access point IDs as I said before, and then we'll finally fetch all of them, and finally we have this role lookup, uh, user lookup, and etc for correctly mapping them. Yeah, and then finally we have this. Yeah, this is what's actually running. And then we have this Docker file. It's a simple one. Then with documentation, definitely okay, let me just show you documentation. Yeah, you can see it again, and then we have bit more output. Yeah, so documentation, this is a problem statement we already have seen. This is the approach that we have followed. Yeah, so then we have these functions, the core functions descriptions that we have been using. Data loading, we have loaded them using main functions of parse csv. I can show you that as well. Just a minute, parse csv, uh, this parse csv over here, and then let me just go back. File name located in parser.cpp, and then we have this parse cpp, parsing all the loading all the files. Then we have the core algorithm that I explained earlier, and how actually it maps and identifies the conflicts. Then we have the helper functions that support the main algorithm performing role expansion and reporting. Yeah, then we have done this testing on some softwares. Softwares, I mean the input data, and we have got partially, I won't say we have got the entire cut data, but we have got the partially cut data, and we are definitely working on it to make it completely correct. Okay, then we have this testing and all. Let me skip that, and then I've already said this. Okay, so this is all. Yeah, um, this is all we have done, and we will definitely be continuing more on this with future updates. Yeah, you can see this over here as well. Thank you.